I'm just going to take a bar of clay and section some of this off. I don't ever want to force a whole bar of clay through the machine at once, so I always section my bar down into smaller, thinner pieces, and then I use a blade to do that. Now I can feel free to push these through the machine without any threat to my rollers. Once I push the pieces through individually, I combine them so that they're double thick, and then when they come back out, I can fold them in half and press them through again. Now, a good method for using your machine is to always put the folded side in first. That way air bubbles are pushed out through the layers at the back. If you put the fold in last, you might be trapping air bubbles inside. It would take about 20 passes through the machine to condition fully, and then your sheet would be completely ready for use in any of your projects.